about yo-yoing and what about roller coaster rides? Okay, and that's pretty much that's typical. And part of it is when people start off like that, it's as you go through the program, our program, or as you learn on your own, it smooths out a little bit. The yo-yoing is not quite so big. The roller coaster rides aren't quite so thrilling. Okay, they aren't quite so scary. And it's all about, first of all, learning about how to deal with that bad day. Learning when you wake up and you're fatigued. A lot of it, what you talked about earlier, was the tasks. A lot of these bad days, they come out of the blue. Some of them come out because weather changes in the state of Oklahoma. A lot of them, though, are just you wear yourself out, and you're trying to do what you think you should do, and you're trying to do what others tell you should do, or what your expectations were, and you just can't do it anymore. You've got to choose your priorities really well. And one is accepting who you are, find out what you can do, find out who you are, and then live in that life of who you are and making your priorities really known to you. And also, you got to set boundaries. You got to have expectations of you, but you got to tell other people, I can't do but this much, and this is more important to me, so I'm going to do this. So you don't get overwhelmed and you don't just have all the energy sucked right out of you. Because you are different. You have changed. And everybody has those roller coaster rides that has an illness, that has a disability, that has chronic pain. And the best way to deal with that is to find what you can do. And then we try to help you find opportunities of how to overcome some of those bad mornings, make them a little better. And then over time, you don't have as many because you aren't doing tasks that wear you down, wear you out, take all your energy away, take all your spoons. And so there's multiple aspects of that. It's very dynamic. You got to learn how to deal with the pain, deal with the disability, deal with the fatigue. Those are things you got to deal with. Then you got to deal with how you can live your life in the fashion you want to live it, But you got to be realistic. You got to be practical. Your expectations have to be realistic. And then you have to come out and find out how you can improve your energy towards the things that take priority. And you also got to be able to tell people, no, I can't do that. And it's real hard if you've got children and other things going on. But you have to be able to set boundaries and to do so you can do the things that you want to do and not have other people suck out the energy from you that you have for those priorities. That's kind of what the spoonies talk about, the decision making of where to use that spoon, And if other people are ripping your spoons away from you before you get a chance to know where you want to put that one, that's a real problem. And that's something you can learn to help yourself. And it's a learning process. And until you slow down and stop and think about what I want to do and how I want to do it and who I am now, and then it can just keep spiraling into the same void. Or you'll get on bigger roller coasters even. Some people enjoy roller coasters, but most people want a nice ride, and they want to choose when they get on their roller coaster. And so it's all about learning how to make your life where it's your choice, and it's your choice when it's your choice. So.